Go get the stick.
Dad, bring it back. He's holding it down with his feet.
Why don't you get a smaller stick? That's a big stick, all right.
Look at his paws. Look at how they spread apart. He's just breaking off all of the miniature sticks.
Is he using them like snowshoes? Is he spreading his toes apart?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I wonder if that's because he's from
Labrador.
Labrador.
Sure. You get this kind of weather all the time up there.
It's in his genes.
And he'll go swimming in it.
Hello, honey. Hello. He's having such great fun.